What's going on YouTube? Today I want to make a video to show you how you can fix your iPad if it doesn't want to start. All you have to do is just click the power button up here and the home button at the same time. Just hold them in until something happens, and the Apple should show on your screen because the iPad will reset anyway. So just try to hold in the home button and the power button until you see something on your screen. If that doesn't work, there might be something else wrong with your iPad, but this should work. So there you go.